Today I'm playing with my little brother on Minecraft. And yeah, it's the best time ever. And what's this? It's a lift later. Have you seen that before? Hey, this is my tree. Wait. Break the brown trees, not the white.
Wash.
Oh, I'm laggy. Too laggy, bro. Clear. Come on. Stupid. Let's go. We're gonna find a flat house to build an underground base. Oh, we're in a jungle. Oh, it's a ship. Where do we find?
Wait for me.
Just in a big desert, bro. No, it's not a desert. In a big island. So I'm gonna follow the trail. Follow me, follow me.
Ouch. This hurt.
Where am I even going?
Hey. Hey, wait for me. Hey, look at this.
Why did I fail? Ah!
No. Wait for me.
Hey, I'm breaking that. It's mine. Go break the brown ones. You own my traces. I meant the brown trees. Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? Then, sinasabak kita ng dalawang sabak.
Di, mauubusan ako ng heart. Oh! Hindi na kita masasamahan. Okay, we're going this way. Come with me, little brodo.
Wait,
Ooh!
little big.
Ah! Where am I gonna... Let's go right here. Right here. Ah! Oh! No! Whoa! How are you gonna go back? Oh! I only have 2 hearts. Let's go right here.
Dil, taro na yung ano ko. Wow.
Why is this freaking infinite? Hey, get out!
Come on.
I'm finding a way out. Ah!
Wait.
Bro, get out! Uy! Carry it all the way down. I forgot. Oh my God. Dahil huwag kang mapapamatay kasi pag nahulog, pag namatay ka, mawawala. Oh my God, there's a dog. Do not hurt the water by your friend.
Pinatay ako!
Kasi where are you? I'm right here. Oh, see. Let's go that way. There's one half like bro.
Dong! Namatay!
The one half chance that I'm gonna die. Here's the sea.
I'm swimming!
Bro, we're gonna drown. Dahil mo.
Kajin Sarah!
So that's why. Galil bodo. Digedido. What does that mean on your language? I don't know what's that. Mugatata.
Mililaw-law.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Mugatata.
Toto! I'm hungry!
First, let's do a stick.
I'm swimming here. Hey! Where's my sword? I want sword.
Ah. Halika dito.
Bye.
Oh no guys, bye. Cause my dad's phone is gonna die. Hey! One health na ako din, oh! Mag-leave ka na. Bye guys, sorry. My dad's phone's low back. And yeah, little boy back.
Mamatay ka na ikaw? Bakit?
Oh, wala nga yung mga gamit ko. Bye-bye. Melee P.
Okay, bye.
Why is it not working? I'm just generating the world. Maybe let's do this.